Okay, okay, guys. If you want to see more of those games, let's start. Okay. Oh my God, this game was so wow. Even I did play this game, guys. I mean, we already played the fake Grow Garden, and the real Grow Garden was this game that we made the video on. Oh my God. Ow! Yeah, I can also hit myself. Whoa! 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 How could he do that? Wait, no, why? Okay, let's do it again. No, I'm not doing it. Wait, I got one. What do I got? Whoa! Okay, that's a bit good. Okay, collect all the money. Then you'll be like so rich. Whoa, what's this? Come here. Here. Whee! Whee! Jump. Whoa. Just to jump my head. Okay, I got my own hat, guys. No! 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 I did die. That was good. Oh my God, I thought but I was here, but Liam was here the whole time. Oh my God. No! No! Okay, that's enough. Okay. If I make it, then I can get like 100 coins. Okay, I don't know what was that. Oh God, there's like some ghost trap like over the hole. Whoa! Whoa! Please. If I try to die with this. You know, I'm not gonna use that thing because it does nothing. I'm just gonna get the mystery box. Because every time I die, I should like this. Oh my God! This game is hard. The more that I'm winning, the more faster I go. Guys, the more that I keep going, the more fast I'm playing the game. Oh my God, that was like in the roof. Now I'm going so fast. Like the more that I get more far away. Whoa! Okay, let's see how we play this game. I didn't know the police you can jump really high. So I'm going slow. Okay, just get back my toy. Okay, I'm just kidding. I hate my song. Just no. No. I'm gonna get ran over. I hope there's no free train. Because when I live this video, it just oh my God. Hey, look guys. This is scratching my eyes. Okay, good there. Oh! Wee. got a castle game. I died. Wow, look at the dog and the police. He's so look at me. I'm like musk. Look at the dead police. Okay, use this. Oh my god. A lot of things to do. Okay. Brba loli. Copy. Brba loli. Actually, I hate this sound. Okay. Jump. Oh my god, I almost got caught by the police. See how the police get you. Yeah. Guys, look how much money I'm getting. More than I get money, wish I get. No train. I hate trains. But we can go in the train tomorrow. I'm just gonna try and make the video of us going in the train. What the? Oh yeah. Look at them trying to. This guy is just.